So let me show you now how to connect the TM-2 module to the TD-25 module. First of all, using your MIDI cable, you need to plug this side into the MIDI output on the TD-25 and then the MIDI input on the TM-2 module. In order to monitor the sound from the TM-2 module into the TD-25 module, we need one of these cables, which is a 2/4 inch mono jack to stereo mini jack cable. With the 2/4 inch mono jacks, we plug them into the audio outputs on the TM-2 and we plug the stereo mini jack into the audio input on the TD-25 module. In a live situation, you may find that you want to take the output from the TM-2 and the output from the TD-25 separately, so using 1/4 inch jack cables, you can do it on both sides. Okay, so now we've plugged all the audio cables and MIDI cables into these modules, we just need to check the MIDI settings to make sure that they're okay and both modules talk to each other. So first of all, on the TD-25, we're going to go to Menu, Setup, and then we're going to scroll down until we get to the MIDI settings. And we're just going to check that this MIDI, where it says MIDI channel, is on channel 10. Then we're going to go over to our TM-2. In order to get to the setup on this one, you've got to press Shift and the instrument button to the setup menu. We're going to scroll along until we get to System. And we're going to go to our MIDI and we're just going to check, like the same as the TD-25 module, that it's on channel 10. Then they should both see each other, no problem. So the final thing we need to do on the TM-2 to make sure that everything is set correctly is we just need to check the trigger setting. So we're going to press Shift and then we're going to press the instrument button to get to the setup. Then we're in the trigger setup menu. So we go into there. We scroll along until it says Type. Now this snare drum we're using is a PDX-100. So I'm just going to hit the pad just to make sure we're on the right thing. At the moment it thinks we're a PDX-8. So we're just going to scroll along. And the next one along is a PDX-100. The kick drum we're using is a KD-9, so we're going to hit the kick drum, and it's a KD-7, so we're just going to move it along until it's a KD-9, and then we're good to go.